अभी का जो pollution है, this 800 AQI also that it goes to sometimes, that is after that protection. So imagine what will happen if that also goes away. Let's clearly draw the air pollution connection in India with the depleting Aravalis. Now, Aravali range sort of lies southwest of Delhi and act as a physical and ecological barrier between the Thar Desert and the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Their rocky terrain, vegetation reduces, wind-blown dust, stabilize soil, and also slow the movement of sort of particulate matter towards Delhi NCR. What the judgment changes, the ruling allows large tracts of Aravali land, mainly in Haryana, to fall outside the forest protection if they were never officially notified as forest. This does not order development, but it removes an automatic environmental safeguard that earlier restricted mining, construction and land clearing. Significant share of Delhi's particulate pollution, especially PM10, comes from dust, construction activity, mining, exposed soil and heavy vehicle movement across NCR. The Aravalis help limit this dust. So, abhi का जो pollution है, this 800 AQI also that it goes to sometimes, that is after that protection. So imagine what will happen if that also goes away. The bottom line here is the judgment does not create pollution overnight, but it removes the natural buffer that Delhi sort of relies on in an airshed already beyond safe limits.
So in Charkhi Dadri, the mining is legal, but Mr. Bhupender Yadav said that there is no mining happening in Haryana and mining is not allowed in Haryana. But in Haryana, in Charkhi Dadri, mining licenses are officially being given out and mining is happening in Charkhi Dadri, where the miners are violating all their environmental clearances. All these reports have been submitted in CEC, but CEC is not talking about it.
Imagine when the entire Delhi NCR is gasping for breath and we're talking about air quality and we're looking at, and in the same breath when the Honorable Minister was talking about so-called plantation, just because you would perhaps plant 100,000 trees more, that does not give you a license to further to degrade Aravalis.